Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2012 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, as well as great fuel efficiency, and coming with a bug deflector up front, as well as a light bar installed on the front bumper. And then you also have running boards down below. You've got some nice accessories, towing mirrors on this truck as well. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back, where you have spacious seating for three that can be folded completely up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you want to put in here. Nice and flat as well. And in the center, you have two cup holders and a 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug in something to charge or power. And now looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. So now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see that it's sitting at 145,078 kilometers. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, where you have your cruise control buttons, as well as your controls to cycle through which information is displayed here, such as your trip A mileage, trip B mileage, distance till empty, your fuel economy, and your trip timer. To the left, you have the switch here for your light bar in the front. And moving on to your center, your infotainment center, which is radio, Sirius, CD, auxiliary, and possibly Bluetooth, though I'm very uncertain about that. Moving down from that, though, you have your climate controls here. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a cubby underneath. And to the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet with a cubby underneath once again. Then down here, you have your auxiliary, as well as a 12-volt power outlet with a cigarette lighter in it, though I think that comes stock with the truck. And then you have a cubby underneath that for some more storage. But moving on to your center console, where you have two cup holders, cubby, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious for all your stuff. But then this does flip up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall. So plenty of seating in this truck. And then underneath that, you have even more storage for all of your stuff. And you have two cup holders that can go out like so. So you can have beverages while this seat is flipped up. So that's always nice. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're looking for a truck and this one piques your interest, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.